Okay, so in this I'm going to show you how to do a few linear functions. So the topic for today is going to be linear functions. So linear functions result in a line. So linear is a line, L-I-N-E, line, okay? So a function then, so a function looks like something like f of x. So a function in terms of x, or it could be y equals something, or you might say g of x. So they're all graph of x, function of x, or finding our y values. So different types of functions that you would have seen in your junior cert. So example would be like f of x equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, so between maybe 0 and 5. Okay, so there are extreme x values, 0 and 5. So how do we go about solving this? So what we want to do is, this is our function, f of x is 2x plus 1. I'm going to substitute in the numbers between 0 and 5. So I'm going to let x is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 5. So let x equal to 0 and substitute into our function. So 2 times, well, x is 0 plus 1. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 is 1. So when x is 0, I get out 1. When x is 1, 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3. So when I put in x is 1, I get out y equal to 3. So these are the points I'm going to use to draw a graph, okay? When x is 2, 2 times 2 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 2, 5. When x is 3, 2, 3 plus 1 is 7. So each time I'm just replacing the value for x, okay? When x is 4, 2 times 4 plus 1 is 9. So 4, 9. And finally, when x is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So I'll put in 5 and get out 11. So this is what we call our set of points. So our set of points to draw a line. So we're going to use those points to draw the line. Okay? So neatly in your copy then, your x-axis is going to go from 0 to 5. So draw out your x and your y-axis. So try keep it as neat as you can with a ruler. So, like so. Your x-axis, your y-axis. There's no minuses, so I can ignore this here. So x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The key here is to keep the spaces the same, okay? And I need to get up as far as 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, so that's my y-axis. So when x is 0, 0, 1. So 0 up to 1, and I put a dot. When x is 1, I go up as far as 3 and put a dot. When x is 2, 2 goes up to 5. When x is 3, goes up to 7. When x is 4, goes up to 9. And finally, when x is 5, it goes up as far as 11. And as you can see, if I join those, I will get a straight line, like so. And that's what we call a linear function. F of x equals 2x plus 1. So that's my linear function. Okay, so today's work, you're going to do a couple of examples of these. So I want you to focus on your book. You'll get them on your book. And page 160. So page 160 in your book. Question 1. And it's part 1. Part 4. Part 5. And part 8. Okay, so that's a little bit of work to get this started for today. Okay, so best of luck with that.